and welcome to this week's weekly vlog. It is currently Thursday and it is 2:40, so I'm starting this vlog off a bit late. I had a crazy past few days. I had so much stuff to get done. I had to start packing because I'm moving next week, and I had to film a bunch of videos before that because I'm moving next week, and just a lot of things needed to be done, so I was really busy, and I just thought I would wait with the vlog until today because I'm actually going to HannaCreative Festival today. I am so excited for this. I haven't been to a proper festival in 2 years, since Rock am Ring 2013, and I'm so excited. We're gonna do the whole experience. We're gonna go camping for 4 days, see all of the music, meet lots of people, and it's just gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's go to HannaCreative 2015. Yay!
Funny thing, I'm not talking behind my back, cause that is just keep coming back to me, nigga. What's up, boy? Say that back to me, nigga. Go, let's go. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
11:30 and we just got home. We drove through the night, so I'm really exhausted, and everyone else already went to bed, so I'm trying to be quiet. But I just wanted to end off the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know I had an amazing time at the festival, so I really hope I got some good footage for you. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to see all of my future videos, like my moving vlogs and all of that stuff that's gonna be coming up next. So make sure you subscribe for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.